In this video from FFX, we'll show you how to use a combi drill. A combi drill is a drill that combines rotation and hammer blows to drill holes into masonry or metal. As a result, it will have three modes: rotation only for drilling into wood, screw driving for driving screws, and hammer mode for drilling into masonry, brickwork, mild steel, etc. As always, the correct bit is key. Only use masonry bits in a combi drill when you're drilling into masonry. Remember to switch the combi drill to screw driving mode when you're ready to drive in the fixing. The combi drill will have 2 or 3 speeds. The low speed is for high torque applications such as screw driving. The higher speeds are for drilling into wood, masonry or metal. A combi drill is a great all-round tool for any tradesperson. It's ideal for fitting kitchens, for plumbing jobs, anytime you need to put fixings into brickwork. The higher the RPM, blows per minute, and torque, the heavier the application it can handle.